We're gonna watch Mike put this engine in the back of the side-by-side by himself.
We all know that's
decided to do something here. Get this in his car, off the stand and out of the way, like this shit. I suppose I'm gonna have to help him. So we'll be right back. It's in the back. Getting the motor mount off so he can butt flop around on the trip up. I'm just gonna take off quick. Here we go. See if we can crash into some stuff on the way. Roll it. Maybe. Try not to flop the engine over because he took the stand off. How is he? There he is. Rip up the lawn because we still have lots of snow here. Things have made their way out. There it is. Other than just a picture in the last video. So, I'll be right back. It's off. And going in. After we get the jack under the transmission, but you can come way down. Probably in too far. Too far, too far. Alright, go down. Keep going, keep going. And keep going. And stop. Now you get the jack. The jack is gone. Because it's right here. Alright. Hopefully you got enough jack. So he's got a little more to do on this. Got my oil cooler. I think you still got to run some fuel lines, don't you?
Yeah, and brake lines.
And brake lines. But we're at least getting this in the car and off the stand and out of the way. It's been sitting down there for a long, long time. You come up, I'll get that ratchet strap off. And I'm going to have to come right back to this. Because I got to put hands on it. So we got the first dickhead move of the day. Mike got me thinking, what the fuck is going on with this motor mount? Put it on backwards. It's got to flip it around.
Is it really?
Then the motor will drop right in. Yeah, short side on this side, the motor sits this way. As soon as I walked inside to go look, I was like, wait a minute. But we are at least sitting in the car and bolted up to the transmission. So we're doing a lot better here. It's been a while since I put a first gen motor in.
I've never pulled one.
Then I thought about it as soon as I hit the stairs. I was like, wait a minute. That's why. So if you want your motor to go back farther, I guess, but it'll be cocked to the side. Flip that around, it'll be in place, and you can start tightening this stuff up. Oh, we're gonna put spark plugs in the front. Okay, be right back.
Yeah, it's in the front.
Now it's in and on. You just get tight balls and bolts up, and it's in. Out of the way now. Bolt stuff on. Sweet. So once he does that, he's got a surge tank that he's got to run the lines from right there. So off the tank, up to that, up to the car, and get his fuel pressure regulator on here and that good stuff, and then we'll be ready for some EFI in this thing. So this is where we're standing at the moment. We'll get a little more stuff down here. But of course, it's supposed to be nice out here today. And in the middle of our process, it starts to rain. Yay. But this is what it's pretty much going to look like in here. Now that we've got it all together and stuff, kind of just sitting in here. It's a lot more work to do, so. But that's pretty much what it's going to look like for now, the most part. It's got some lines to do, some electrical to do. We're going to have to ECU to do. All kinds of stuff, but you get the gist of it here now. C2 intake manifold, so when he does plan to go turbo later. Setting it back on the ground. Get it out of the way for the week. And that's where we're at. We're done messing around in the rain, so now he's gonna ghost ride this thing back down. So I guess let me push him by myself. Oh, here he goes. Very slowly. Oh, I gotta push again. Fantastic. Bye. So, that's it for today, I guess. I guess I'll go get him, be a nice guy. Should have just pushed him with this. Fun. I'll ram him. He's stuck again. Yee-hoo. I'm coming, Mike. See if I'm going to smash his taillights or not. Not going to hit your taillights, right? Yeah, it is. Alright, never mind. I guess I'll push him some more. We're on the front.
It's like square on the front of it. Just hook it up with the chain.
Alright. Anyways.
The hard part, I'm filming.
What'd you say you're doing the hard part? Oh, man. Okay. I'm gonna drag him. Always something. I think the side-by-side's actually bigger than the car. It's a nice chain. I don't have the hook on the back of this. job done. Hey, did you know there's a hook point there?
Huh?
Did you know there's a hook point there?
Yeah, there's one on each side.
It's a joke. The arrows. Oh, here we go again. Dragging Rx7s. Their natural habitat. Not really. Oh, here we go. I got them. Ooh, that hefty. I think we're good. Alright, so until next time we work on something, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.